So I'm asking you things that I understand.
So I'm speaking to you because you are the minister.
Yeah.
If she was alone, I would not answer because we had an opportunity to lay this problem and solve it myself.
So basically, you are saying what? You're running a non-credit work-based experience. Okay. So which are certificates, diplomas, and degrees. Just explain to me how that works.
Yes, Mr. Minister. Our lawyers.
How do you offer a degree?
The degree
or a diploma or a certificate which is not registered with any of our agencies?
Now, there are too many issues that we can talk about.
How do you even exist as a college if you're not even registered with us?
No, we are a registered educational company. We are a registered education as a company. We are registered.
Okay.
That's what gives us the.
But you are not registered with the
yes, education. No, okay. And we don't claim such a registration. We have never claimed it. Anyway.
Okay, but you are pretending.
No,
to students who come here that you're an educational institution.
No, we don't pretend.
No, you are.
No, we don't. We don't pretend.
College.
We follow as per the Constitution, academic freedom. Freedom of choice. We say this is what we offer in our college. If this is what you are looking for, if that is, we don't claim a registration that we do not have.
So if someone comes and study here,
I'm speaking to the minister, please.
So if you ask me questions. So if someone comes here and does this non-credit bearing work-based experience and learning,
yes,
and you give them a certificate or anything of the sort that you give them,
yes,
what are they going to do with that?
Mr. Minister, we have SACWA laws that are very clear on these things. Non-credit bearing programs, this is what they can be used for. Is there specific? I'm answering as per our lawyers' directives. Specific what it can be done for. What the uses of such a program. So we lay it bare to the students and we say, if you do not understand, go to SACWA. Go to the SACWA website and check what is a credit bearing, what is a non-credit bearing program, and what can it be used for.
You're duping people.
No, we are not, Mr. Minister, we are not.
Because people come here expecting to get a certificate, a diploma, and a degree, which they're not going to do anything about.
No, Mr. Minister, we under the laws, we are very honest about what we are offering.
So you are not an educational institution.
As Johannesburg City College, we are an educational company.
You are not an educational
institution. We are.
You are not offering any program based on any of the laws of this country, except all the things that you're talking about. You are duping people to come and register here for where are those programs? For these. I mean, how are you offering this without even registered with the Department of Higher Education?
We are not offering credit-bearing programs, Mr. Minister. There is a distinction between these things. There is a distinction between these things. And when this matter was taken to court, and the lady was called to come and give her side of the story, because our lawyers have looked at it and placed it according to the laws, and said, this is what we can do, this is what we cannot do. We are not specific what we cannot do. There are things that we don't offer anything credit bearing in our college. Because we do understand what the law says.
I don't think we can get anywhere with it.
Yeah, that's why I said.
This
that's what I said. That's why.
Duping people.
To
come here and study for qualifications which have got absolutely no meaning to them.
No.
Yes.
If you say that, Mr. Minister, if we say that,
you are presenting this as an educational institution when it's not.
That would not be correct, Mr.
Yes,
Minister.
it is.
No, it wouldn't be correct as per the laws. The law says there will be academic freedom. We are free to choose what we want to offer. Then a client comes.
But if you
choose.
Wait.
Let me complete what I'm saying. Yeah.
They go through biblical studies.
Yes.
And they have a qualification which you offer, which is basically which has basically no effect at all.
No, Minister, that will not be correct. Let me
You
give
said
you, let me
you have a
basically
computer
give
lab. Where's your
let-
computer lab?
let me give you,
Where's your computer
we
lab?
have a computer lab.
Okay.
Let me give you an example. A student comes to us and says, I want to do mechanical engineering. Let's take an example of mechanical engineering. I give them a non-credit
You
bill.
even offer mechanical.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
I teach a child how to fix a car. If I teach a child how to fix a car, and I give them a non-credit bearing certificate, yeah,
I don't think we've got anything.
that's why I said,
You are not willing to comply with the law.
no, it's not that we are not willing. We came to court
and come
to solve these issues. Like, if I were to, there are certain things.
Look at an educational company. I'm looking for
the card.
Don't tell
I can see your bell from the window.
He's saying you are an educational company. What we want from you is
I can see your bell from the window and the crowd, vent and the crowd.
registered.
Just look on the left. I'm there, you can see my hands.
That shows that you are
Come up.
If you don't have those
Second
documents,
floor.
you are not a college. Just show me the document.
No, I can tell you something.
No, show me the document.
Because we were in court for this issue. She who opened the case, and this one, she basically did not respond to the courts.
No, I wasn't invited to anything. I wasn't invited to any hearing. I opened
So, what do
We're
you
not
think?
invited to any hearing.
Now you cannot say that according to the laws.
you cannot offer a
No, you cannot
degree.
say that.
No, you cannot obviously call something a
Yeah.
degree in mechanical engineering, one that's not accredited. So the poor kid, what is he going to do with the certificate that he's going to give him?
Now,
All
wait,
degrees.
let's take it gradually. What does the Constitution say about institutions? The highest law of the country, which is the Constitution. What does it say about institutions? Wait, no, man. Who is talking to me? No, let me tell you something. We put it here. This is what the Constitution, the highest law of the land, says. The Constitution says, under academic education, you see, it should be registered with the state. There is academic freedom, it is here. Now, under academic freedom, as the institution, you choose what you want to offer, isn't it? This is not a public institution. You cannot force the institution to do what we don't have capacity to do. You understand? You cannot. By law is wrong. By law is wrong. You cannot force a private institution to do what we don't have capacity to do.
So say all colleges in this country must be registered.
No. That means you don't understand that law. Listen,
If you offer a degree,
the highest law of the country is the Constitution.
the degree must be accredited.
That's Higher Education Act. And let me tell you, and higher education qualification has rules of combination. And this one you are saying, compare it with what we offer, those rules of combination do not apply. You must understand the distinction. That's why you say, if you don't understand, bring it to court. Those things, they apply. They will read.
You don't have to shout.
Listen, I'm sorry.
I can hear you.
Excuse my tone.
You can talk nice and I can hear you.
Excuse my tone.
Marty, sorry.
Yeah.
You have the court papers.
Yeah.
The court papers that say.
You are the one who have the court number.
No, I wasn't called to court for any hearing.
Yeah, maybe you
I
can show us
wasn't
the
invited
computers.
to
Yeah.
any.
No, she was the one who opened the case.
No,
She has the case
but
number.
we are here. If
I got
You
the
have the
case
case
number.
show DM the
So what
papers.
I'm going to do, I got the case number which I opened with Hill back in 2012. I'm going to meet with the station commander and we're going to review the case and then we're going to revisit you. Okay. So you must expect that when we come the second time, we will come with the police and close it.
No, not a problem. We will have our lawyers respond to the case accordingly.
Yeah, so just because I want to be decent with you and I want to be humane.
But why are you not showing, why are you not giving us the court papers?
Yeah.
That you are
Because your phone is empty.
No.
That file is supposed to be was at the file. Hey, motif, man. I see you come with the.
So, Bhakti, I'm being very good and decent with you because we here, the law is paramount. All that you're referring to is meaning nothing to us.
Yeah, no,
You're saying
we'll
degrees,
get our lawyers
diplomas,
to be on you.
and
You know
over
how
the
we
years I've
always
been
work.
very good and decent to
Yeah,
you.
no,
I
we-
went the proper route, I opened the case.
I know.
I'm going back to the
It's not the
station
first time me
commander.
and you has gone through that procedure.
It's
I'll
over
get
10
our
years
lawyers
history.
to respond to you
Yeah.
accordingly.
And then I will meet with the station commander and
Okay.
his team.
Yeah.
Then we'll meet with the lawyers and I want to see what the papers are saying.
Okay.
And I want to see where the breakdown is.
Okay.
Right?
No, not
and
a
where
problem.
you're saying SACPA is saying this, that, the other, I want you to give me that proof as
No,
well. You keep
yeah.
all of that.
Yeah, okay.
So you build your case until I come back with the station
Okay,
commander.
not a problem.
Right.
For outside.
Not a
In future, when the people just have your file with all the court documents,
He
your
doesn't have the
register,
documents.
your
No, the documents are there,
Just
Mr.
say-
Minister.
Just say there, yeah,
documents are there.
here I
It's
am.
because I'm coming from the
I've got
stationery.
nothing to show.
No, we have. We'll get our lawyers to.
Registration document.
It was me, I was going to show the minister. The minister, look how far we went. This is my court document. This is what the judge said. It's in the file nicely.
Yeah.
Then I
I
present.
didn't even receive a message to say that I must come to court or that the case is closed. Normally they send a message.
Yeah.
So I will go back to Hillbrow Police Station and we will clarify with him. But don't be surprised if we come back again and we close you.
No, I know what the court said to me last time.
So